of living on the run. Take it all for granted, like you're the only one living on my own.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Gallia County in southeastern Ohio, central Lawrence County in southeastern Ohio, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles north of Proctorville, moving northwest at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Gallia and central Lawrence counties, including the following locations: Gage, Scotown, Waterloo, Ade, and Vernon.